Welcome back. Well, it's almost time for back to school. I know a lot of you parents are saying, hooray! But that means it's time to sign your kids up for some fall sports. Making a house call tonight, Nathan March, a physician with Westfront Primary Care in Traverse City. Thank you for joining us, Nathan.
Well, thanks for having me tonight.
So a lot of parents worry about sports injuries, concussions, things like that, and one of the big sports, football, a lot of kids want to play. But you say the biggest key in easing parents' worries is prevention.
Sure. So I think that needs to start out with getting your athlete in for a pre-participation physical to make sure you go over an adequate history to look at things like risk for concussion, history of concussions, any history of head injuries, passing out, blacking out, any history of cardiovascular disease are what we try to focus in on the history side of the pre-participation exam, and then doing a thorough physical examination before any athlete takes the field.
So you're saying any athlete, regardless of age? I know a lot of schools, they don't require it every single year.
We would expect every athlete to have a pre-participation exam. Regardless of what sport they're participating in.
All
that
right.
includes bowling and equestrian and everything.
Everything, okay.
Everything.
And what can parents instruct their children to do maybe before they go to practice or a game?
Absolutely. The most important thing to reduce sports injuries would include getting them in condition, making sure they have good flexibility and strength. That's going to reduce their risk for injuries on the field drastically.
Now, as we're thinking about football, I know a lot of parents, I don't know if I want my child to play football. It's scary when you see those players, even in the NFL now, just constantly getting concussions.
Sure.
Scary topic.
So concussions have really taken the lead in sports medicine, especially in high school. There's a lot more awareness about concussions now. The coaches are now expected to take a course in concussion symptom awareness, as well as the officials and umpires of the game. So making an awareness has increased the diagnosis, and then turning it over to a medical professional to make sure they're evaluated properly and treated accordingly before they return to participation.
So basically, overall, you're saying make sure parents out there, make sure your child, regardless of the sport or age, get that physical every time. And then make sure that proper stretching, and I'm sure that healthy eating and hydration kind of falls in there.
This time of year, hydration is very important. We still see a lot of heat exhaustion, heat illnesses, so making sure they're staying adequately hydrated during the competition, but also before the competition. And nutrition is very important as well, making sure they're getting adequate calories prior to the competition.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Nathan. I appreciate
pleasure.
a lot of maybe easing a little of the parents' worries out there.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.